Your lesson essential question is, what is division? So we are working on division still. And we talked about how when we divide, we break a larger number up into smaller equal groups. We talked about how division is an operation that is used to find how many equal groups there are or how many are in each group. So in your last division lesson, we divided 12 toys among 3 friends. So we did 12 divided by 3. So what we did was we made 3 equal groups. There were 4 in each group, so 12 divided by 3 was 4. Let's look at another way to divide. June has 10 strawberries to serve to her guests. If each guest eats 2 strawberries, how many guests can June serve? So first of all, what is this problem asking us to find? It's asking us to find how many guests June can serve. What information is going to help us solve this problem? Right, we know that she has 10 strawberries, and each guest eats 2. So here's her 10 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't know how many guests she can serve, but we do know that each guest is eating 2. So what we can do is we can break these 10 strawberries up into groups of 2. One guest would eat these 2. Another guest will eat these 2. And we keep making equal groups of 2 until we've run out of strawberries. Now what I need to do is I need to go back and I need to count how many groups I made. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups. So we had 10 strawberries. We divided 10 into groups of 2, and we made 5 equal groups. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Let's look at another way. We can do repeated subtraction. So we're starting with 10, and we're taking away 2 because each guest is eating 2. So here's the 2 that guest 1 is going to eat, guest 2, and so on. So repeated subtraction. We start with 10, we take away 2. There's 8 left. Then we have 8. Now we have 8 left. We take away 2 more. Now there are 6 left. There's 6 left. We take away 2 more. Now there are 4 left. 4 left. We take away 2 more. Now there are 2 left. 2 left. Take away those 2. Now there are 0. So we've done repeated subtraction. We took away 2 each time. Now we need to see how many times we subtracted 2. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that my answer is 5. So you can either make equal groups or you can do repeated subtraction.